This motorized TV stand moves like a boss. ONKRON TS1991E-B review. Is it overkill or genius? You ever feel like your big, beautiful 85-inch TV deserves better than being shoved in a corner or chained to a fixed wall mount? We've been there, struggling with lame furniture that barely holds up, no height flexibility, zero mobility, and a setup so static it practically begs you to stop moving. Whether you're running high-stakes Zoom meetings, hosting a house party, or staging your showroom like a pro, the tools you use should elevate your screen, literally. Sadly, most rolling TV carts are clunky, ugly, or wobble like a Jenga tower. That's where frustration turns into motivation, and why this ONKRON stand caught our eye. Because let's be real. Not having flexible screen positioning in 2025 is criminal. You're juggling chaotic deadlines, hybrid work setups, family movie nights, and awkward room layouts that make traditional TV placement feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. And while cheap carts promise adjustability, they usually crack under pressure, sometimes literally. You've probably wasted hours trying to find one cart that doesn't wobble, doesn't look like it's from 2006, and can actually handle your 100-inch display without sweating. The burnout is real, and trust? It's in short supply. That's why this review pulls no punches. Meet the ONKRON TS1991E-B motorized TV stand, your new screenside savior. This beast rolls like a dream, handles up to 265 pounds, and lifts your screen with a remote like it's levitating. We're talking smooth electric height control, over 18 inches of vertical motion, tilt capability, an accessory shelf, and a build so rugged it laughs at wimpy mounts. Whether you're doing presentations, gaming, binging, or flexing your TV at a trade show, this cart adapts in seconds. It's modern, matte black, easy to move, and yes, it looks absolutely badass in motion. The setup? Surprisingly painless. The result? Big screen bliss, unlocked. Imagine this. You're standing center stage, webcam mounted, your 100-inch display perfectly elevated, and your audience locked in, not on your clunky setup, but on you. That's the power this cart brings. Beyond the hype, the ONKRON TS1991E-B solves real problems: shaky mounts, unmovable screens, inflexible setups. Now you get smooth glides between rooms, sleek cable management, and stability that means business. It's like leveling up your entire workflow. Wanna learn more? Stick around and see it in action, because this isn't just a rolling stand. It's your productivity weapon, conference power move, and design flex in one. So here's the deal. Units will sell fast, especially with hybrid offices and content creators grabbing anything motorized and modular. Don't overthink it. If you're tired of backbreaking lifts, mismatched furniture, or setups that make your TV look like an afterthought, it's time to upgrade. Thousands already made the switch, so why not you? Secure yours today before stock runs dry. This isn't just convenience, it's control, it's style, it's ONKRON. Click the link, elevate your game, and join the tribe of smart screen movers. Your display deserves better. You do too.